All right, so we've got some shears to sharpen this morning for a nice young lady from a Great Clips, but we've got to do some stone maintenance first. So this is how I like to do the stone maintenance. I like to start off with a 200 grit diamond plate, and then I finish with a 400 plate just to smooth it out a little bit. Speed, smoothness. So you guys can watch this video. I'm going to speed it up, but this is just a typical stone maintenance before I get started on sharpening this morning. So you made it to the end. I appreciate it very much. I also would appreciate it if you'd hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. It helps our little business down here in Texas grow.